Hello traders, welcome to the MyForexFunds YouTube channel. MyForexFunds is a prop firm which is looking for successful traders. It assists traders and it helps them grow so that we can grow together. Today in this video, we will be hosting one of our funded trader Aries to talk about his trading journey and his experiences as a funded trader in MyForexFunds.
Hello Aries, it's great to see you here. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm good. How about you?
Thank you very much. I'm also good. And thank you very much for accepting to be our guest here to share your trading journey and your experiences with us.
It's my honor. It's my pleasure. Yeah.
Thank you. Today, we will be talking about how this journey has started and how your trading style or skills have developed over time. But first, we would like to know you a bit. So can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Okay, so I'm Aries. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Indonesia. Yeah.
You live in a beautiful country.
Yes, lovely place.
Yeah, definitely.
Lucky me.
Yeah, lucky you. So Aries, how long have you been trading?
My first trade was buying Bitcoin actually in 2017. So yeah, it was my brother recommend me to buy a Bitcoin. And my first margin trades for Forex, it was in 2018 because Bitcoin or cryptocurrency crashed. So I need to, trade another assets. So yeah, my first margin trades is actually 2018. So it's been for 4 years. Yeah.
So you started to trade 4 years ago. And can you tell us how you learned to trade? Did you learn it by yourself or did you get some courses?
First thing first, from buying Bitcoin and first try on margin trading, I was just do it by myself. Yeah, without any mentor, etc. I just do it by myself. I tried everything and losing money. Yeah, that's how I learn to trade first time. But yeah, after losing so much money, and then I need to learn. I need to learn to trade. So I read books. I watch so many YouTube videos, and most importantly is the markets itself actually. So I'm backtesting and formulating my own strategy using the real actual markets. So yeah, I backtest like 6 or 12 months on certain markets with my own strategy before I trade it. So yeah, basically that's how I learned to trade.
Yeah.
And as for now, I'm still learning actually. Yeah, I'm still learning and growing.
Sure. Yeah. It is almost the same story. Almost all the traders say they lost some money at the beginning and then they start to develop themselves. Yeah. More or less same story. Yeah. So how many hours do you trade in a day?
Hours depends on the day and depends on the market, on the setup actually. So there's no specific hours for me. Sometimes it's most of the times for my trades is actually I'm patiently waiting. It's waiting. 90% of the time is waiting, and I'm a scalper. So my setup, my trade is actually holds for like only 10 to 60 minutes. So yeah, 1 hour stops. So yeah, I never hold trades like over a days or more than 6 hours, 12 hours. No, I just trades. I scalp like 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Yeah, I see. So is trading your full-time job or an extra money source for you?
It's an extra money source for me, but turns out it's getting bigger than my actual income jobs. But yeah, so but I still love my job now. My job is actually an analyst, an FX analyst, so it's aligned. And then yeah, I love my job. I do analyze markets for other people, for my company, and then I also do it for myself, and I trade it with
they are connected. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, perfect. So now let's talk a bit about your trading journey in MyForexFunds. How did you know about MyForexFunds? Were you introduced by someone or did you learn it by yourself?
Again, YouTube. So I watch a few successful traders using platforms. They got payouts, a big payout, six figures payouts, etc. And then yeah, it triggers me. Oh wow, we can get an investors, get someone that funded me as a traders with six figures money, and that's a lot. That's a huge leverage for a good, successful, or profitable trader. So yeah, I just try it and compare few platforms actually, and see the parameters and study a lot of platforms, and yeah, I ended up with MFF, and I'm happy with it.
So, have you ever had any experiences in any prop firm before?
Yes, actually. Yes.
Yeah, I'm asking this because many new traders are really hesitant about funding programs at the beginning. Were you also suspicious about prop firms?
At the beginning, yes. I think everyone will be curious, in doubt using any platforms, and yeah, for me as well. But yeah, turns out I watch a lot of testimonials. I watch a lot of big traders that yeah, it pays. So yeah, why not? I tried actually on MFF. I'm in doubt myself as well, so I tried only with a 10K account to just test it with 10K account, and then I passed phase one, phase two in like, I don't know, less than a weeks. And then yeah, I get my first payouts. After I get my first payouts, I just okay, I need more accounts. So
You relieved.
so yeah, I took another 200K accounts. Yeah, two accounts to 200K accounts, and then yeah, I just traded, and I connected it with the social traders copy trades. Yeah.
Now you're a funded trader in MyForexFunds. So can you tell us a bit about your experience in trading with us?
Overall good for me. I trade only one pair, a pound yen. I trade breakouts. I trade impulse. I trade impulse. But sometimes I get like a slippage. Most problems on every brokers is slippage, right? And yeah, MFF a bit high for me. I've experienced like 3 pips slippage in one or two of my trades, but yeah, overall good. And yeah, I need to maybe adjusting my strategy with the breakouts with MFF.
Yeah, in MyForexFunds, all the accounts are regulated to trade in live market conditions. That's why you may have slippage. Yeah. So in MyForexFunds, you said that you started with evaluation program. So do you have any other, have you ever tried any other programs?
No. Actually, I don't know. I have no idea with another programs.
Oh,
so yeah, and evaluation is just right for me. And then yeah.
I see. So can you just tell us a bit about your trading style or strategy or the instruments you prefer to trade?
Okay, my trading style, I'm a price actions traders. I'm using naked charts. I don't use any indicators. I trade breakouts, like I told you before. I trade breakouts. I also trade break and retest. I trade most of the time 99% pound yen. Yeah, if I trade another pair, that's just me being reckless, you know. Yeah, actually, I need to be disciplined with only one pair. If if I can be profitable with one pair only, why should I go with another pair?
Yeah, sure. So would you like to share any of the charts or your dashboard with us?
Yeah, sure. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes, we can.
So yeah, it is one of my account, my 200K account. It's actually profiting around 68,000 so far. And today, actually, I trade also. I make like 2,400. I trade only pound yen. Most traded instrument is pound yen actually, and I trade per day like two trades or maximum like. Actually, for the setup wise, I only trade 3 maximum setup per day. and
Mm-hmm.
per setup I can trade like two, three, three positions opens. And for lots, I'm
Mm-hmm.
using like most of the time I'm using 20 lots for 200K account. I'm a scalper, so yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is my dashboard, and then maybe my strategy. My
Yeah.
Okay, my strategy is actually first thing first. What I'm saying on the markets is I'm looking for the longer time frame, and
Mm-hmm.
then I look on the market structures. So the market is in a bullish or a bearish markets structure wise. So structure wise meaning like wait, let me draw. So this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, and this is a lower low. So I can
Mm-hmm.
tell, okay, market is in a downtrend. But this is a daily time frame. Maybe I just focus on 2, 3 candles, current candles. So yeah, on these candles on daily, okay, yesterday is closing bullish, and today it is breaking previous high. So most probably on the probability on my setup, it is going up even more. So okay, on the daily, I need to look for a buy setup.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I'm going down to 4 hour. I create a horizontal support or resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this might be a good area to buy or to take profits, and then down to 1 hour. And most of the times I trade on 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So for example, here on the pre-London, there's a resistance here. There's a resistance here, and then it breaks out here before London Open. So it's
Mm-hmm.
12 p.m. It is 2 hours before London sessions. So on
Mm-hmm.
London session pre-London, 1 hour before London session, it closed bullish but above resistance, and there is no like traffic here. And on 4 hour time frame, I just draw the resistance for the targets. Oh, okay. On the London sessions, pound yen might go up to the next level resistance after this is closed bullish above this resistance. So yeah, I just buy the setup with the stop loss here, and then yeah. But most of the time, I just took like 2R and sometimes 1.5R
Mm-hmm.
risk to reward ratio. But yeah, it turns out well and works actually for R. And this is actually my weakness. It is so hard for me to hold trades longer. I'm not a diamond hand. I'm a pepper hand. So yeah, I'm not a swinger. I'm a scalper. So yeah, if I get 1.5R or 2R already, I just closed all my positions. Yeah, that's how I trade. But yeah, I'm learning still. So yeah, I hope in the future I can hold trades for like 4R or 5RR. Yeah, that's how I trade.
Thank you very much for sharing it with us. And it is really nice to say that I'm still learning. Yeah, because the learning
Yeah,
never stops. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
never stops. Never
Yeah.
stops.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much. So I will ask you the question that everyone wonders. So what is the total payout you got from us?
Total payouts is
Mm-hmm.
around 118K so far.
Perfect. So do
So
you remember
yes,
the
yes.
biggest one?
The biggest one is like 41K, I believe. Yeah,
Perfect.
40K, I believe. And actually, next Saturday, I will get my next request. As you
Mm-hmm.
can see on the dashboard, it
Yeah,
is
yeah.
on 217K. So probably I'll get like 80% from that, around 13K. Yeah, 13K.
Perfect.
So yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
great. Yeah. And hopefully it's just the beginning.
Hopefully, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we can understand that you are a really successful trader. So what about you? What makes a trader successful? What do you think?
Sometimes I consider myself not yet a successful traders, but what makes a trader successful is a trader that can, there's a three main categories in my opinion, that
Mm-hmm.
makes a trader profitable and successful. First thing first is trading strategy, a
Yeah.
system that
Mm-hmm.
have an edge. You have a good probability and a good risk to reward ratio. That's
Mm-hmm.
one thing. And the
Mm-hmm.
second one is the risk management. The traders
Mm-hmm.
has a good risk management that's
Sure.
suitable for his strategy. So first thing, a system that have an
Mm-hmm.
edge, and the second one, he or she has good risk management.
Yeah.
And then the last one is good psychology and emotions to maintain the system and the risk management. So yeah, overall,
Definitely.
that's the trifecta of trading, and I'm still improving on those three areas: the system, the risk management, and the psychology. And the hardest part for me is the psychology, the emotions,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
yeah,
Especially when you had big losses.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
lots of fear, greed.
Yeah.
There's so many, and everyone has their own trauma or
Mm-hmm.
maybe psychological problems. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this is
Yeah.
so hard to maintain the system and the risk management with a good emotions and good strategy.
Yeah, totally agree with you. And Aries, some traders have had really some impactful loss, which makes them to change their trading style or strategies. Have you ever experienced something like that?
Yes, actually, when I first trade margin, so
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it was a Bitcoin long short. I'm using 20 to 100x leverage.
Mm-hmm.
And for chart, I'm using lots of indicators, probably 3 indicators on my charts on my screens or more. And then I listen to so many traders out there on Twitters, on Telegram, on
Mm-hmm.
Signals. I tried Signals, so many things I tried.
Mm-hmm.
Indicator
Mm-hmm.
strategy, following other successful traders, uh, following signals, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I'm losing uh, quite a good amount of money for me back then in college. So yeah, I changed lots of things. So I never trade signals again. I never use indicators again. What works for
Mm-hmm.
me now is a price actions. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
if
Yeah.
if if I have already a good strategy that's working for me, then I'll stick with it. I'll
Yeah.
never change my strategy again.
Sure.
But yeah, first thing first, yeah, I'm trying lots of strategy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So finally, what would you suggest to the new traders?
Okay, this is a good one. Start small, please,
Mm-hmm.
because yeah, I I know a few traders that okay, I have big money now. How to grow my money? And
Mm-hmm.
someone just told him like just trade forex. Okay, he listened to him and then just trade forex with all of his money, and then just okay, Bitcoin is good right now. I'm going to buy Bitcoin. So he bought Bitcoin with no understanding about margin, about
Mm-hmm.
leverage, about trading itself. So yeah, he just buy Bitcoin, listen to his brothers or his friends, and then
Mm-hmm.
use all his money and then lost it all. So
Yeah.
yeah, never be that guy. So just start small if you want to learn. Just start small, or even better, just use demo account first to
Sure.
just
Sure.
get used to it.
Mm-hmm.
This is how I buy. This is how I sell. This is how I create levels. How this is I am placing my stop loss, etc. You just use demo account. After
Mm-hmm.
using demo account 1 to 3 months, you need to use a real account, of course, because it trains your psychology. So yeah, use a real account, but start small. You can
Mm-hmm.
trade with like 100 or $200 account, and that's a good one. And then yeah, build from there. And if don't focus on the money, just
Mm-hmm.
focus on your strategy, your parameters. Okay, this is my win rates, this is my risk to reward ratio, this is my PNL in percentage wise. Just focus on that.
Mm-hmm.
If you have scales already with a good win rates, with a good R ratio, a good percentage win profit monthly in the last 6 months, 3 months, you will always found investors for you, such as MFF, for example. So yeah, you just need, first thing first, start small using small money to build your skills first. After you build skills, yes, you can go big and you can go a funding company, etc.
Definitely, yeah.
That's the first one. And maybe accept the fact that trading is like another professional job, you know. You need time. It takes time to be a professional. For example, if you want to be a doctor, you need like 4 years, 5 years
Yeah.
to study, and then you can become a doctor. Trader as well. To be a professional trader, you need to learn, to study, and you need to pay with your losses in the first month, the first year. That's why I recommend start small. So
Yes.
it costs more for you to trade. So
Yes.
there's no quick money. So if someone told you that, okay, trade forex, you can make 100%, you can flip your money 2x, 5x, 10x in 1 month, just try it now. Please don't listen to them.
Actually, there's no shortcut of it. You need to be
Yes, no.
patient. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Totally agree. Yeah. Thank you very much for this nice interview. I really enjoyed.
Yes,
I hope
thank
you also
you.
did. Yeah. Thank you very much for your energy. It was amazing.
Thank you.
Thank
I'm happy
you.
actually sharing this, and I hope it helps other. You know, it hurts to be a good profitable traders. For me, like I've experienced like 1-2 years losing all the time and changing strategy, etc. And finally, you found one that profitable for me. And it is hard,
Yeah.
but
Sure.
it is possible to be profitable. It is possible. Yeah,
Thank
just
you.
keep going.
Yeah. Thank you very
thank
much
you.
for this motivational remarks.
Yeah.
So see you soon. I hope we can have interview again for the biggest payouts, for the bigger payouts.
Amen to that. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Always.
So see you next time. Bye.
See you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all like it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for this type of content and more. Also post your suggestions as a comment below. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next videos. Happy trading!